24 मई 2025 करंट अफेयर्स MCQs in English। 1. What treaty did India suspend citing Pakistan's non-compliance? A SAARC Treaty. B. Indus Waters Treaty. C. Shimla Agreement. D. Tapi Pipeline Agreement. Answer: B. Indus Waters Treaty. Though, which recent terror attack contributed to India's suspension of the treaty with Pakistan? A Uri attack. B. Pahalgam attack. C. Pulwama attack. D. Baramulla attack. Answer: B. Pahalgam attack. 3. What is the estimated worth of development projects launched by PM Modi in Bikaner? A. 16,000 रुपए crore. B. 20,000 रुपए crore. C. 26,000 रुपए crore. D. 30,000 रुपए crore. Answer: C. 26,000 रुपए crore. 4. Which Indian state has made robotics education compulsory for class 10 students? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Maharashtra. Answer: C. Kerala. 5. The new robotics curriculum in Kerala will impact how many students approximately? A. 1.2 lakh. B. 2.5 lakh. C. 4.3 lakh. D. 6 lakh. Answer: C. 4.3 lakh. 6. India is enhancing maritime cooperation with which country in the Indian Ocean? A. Maldives. B. Mauritius. C. Sri Lanka. D. Seychelles. Answer: B. Mauritius. 7. What is the name of the global tourism platform launched by Saudi Arabia? A. Sodata. B. Vision Tour. C. Tourize. D. A Two World. Answer: C. Tourize. 8. On what date was the Tourize platform launched? A. 20 मई 2025. B. 21 मई 2025. C. 22 मई 2025. D. 24 मई 2025. Answer: C. 22 मई 2025. 9. Which country recently joined the BRICS New Development Bank? A. Egypt. B. Algeria. C. Nigeria. D. Turkey. Answer: B. Algeria. Thus, what did Donald Trump propose to impose on EU imports? Ban. B. 25% tariff. C. 40% tariff. D. 50% tariff. Answer: D. 50% tariff. 11. Which product category was specifically targeted in Trump's new tariff proposals? Automobiles. B. Smartphones. C. Furniture. D. Apparel. Answer: B. Smartphones. 12. The US is in talks with which country regarding a new nuclear agreement? A. Iraq. B. North Korea. C. Iran. D. Russia. Answer: C. Iran. 13. How many officials were reportedly removed from the US National Security Council? A. 50. B. 80. C. 100. D. over 100. Answer: A. D. over 100. 14. What is the purpose of the Tourize platform? A. Promote Islamic tourism. B. Facilitate visa-free travel. C. Connect global tourism leaders. D. Support local hotel chains. Answer: C. Connect global tourism leaders. 15. What is observed globally on May 23? World Earth Day. B. World Biodiversity Day. C. World Turtle Day. D. World Ocean Day. Answer: C. World Turtle Day. 16. The newly revised ICT curriculum in Kerala includes A. Drone programming. B. Game development. C. Robotics. D. AI ethics. Answer: C. Robotics. 17. The BRICS New Development Bank was originally established to A. Promote free trade. B. Fund defense projects. C. Support sustainable development. D. Counter IMF policies. Answer: C. Support sustainable development. 18. The Indus Waters Treaty was signed in which year? A. 1950. B. 1960. C. 1971. D. 1990. Answer B. 1960.